Welcome to another tutorial on my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to solve a Pyraminx Rubik's Cube. It will have tricks and tricks, lots of algorithms, and boring stuff. Stay tuned for more videos. Onward with the video. So, first we're going to find out where the red side. You need to twist the corners all on one side so that you can find whatever side you're making first. So I'm choosing the red side. It doesn't matter what side you do. So you can put these middle pieces easy, but let's ignore them for now. Let's just solve the red side in the meanwhile. While you guys are waiting, I'm going to oh yeah, we're already done. So now this is in the wrong spot. So what this happens, you can just put it the correct one if it has. So you have to put the matching. So this has red, which goes into here, and this has yellow, which needs to go over here. So we do this algorithm: left down, left up, right up. That was the left scenario for doing that. So here's the right scenario: right down, right up, left up. And now you can do the rest of these middle pieces, we call them. But let me show you a scenario. So if this is flipped, you just pretend any other block is the one you put in. So you do the left, and you'll find it. This has to be facing the front. Remember that. That's why that happened. So left down, left up, right up. So now you're on to the final step. So this is scenario 2, but since we're going in order, I'm just going to skip it and just go to the first step. So this is the first step, left scenario. So you do left down, left up, right up. Now you have to insert this into here, but a lot differently than you think. The top full piece here goes to the left, the right piece goes to up, the top piece goes to the right, and the right piece goes down. And now you solved it. There is another scenario for right. I'm just trying to get to it, if you don't mind me. Okay, so this is what is this happening? Okay, so this is scenario 1, the right way. So right down, corner down, left corner down, right corner up, left corner up. This top piece to the left, left piece up, the top piece to the left, and the left piece down. So that is the first scenario, both ways complete. Let me just get to the second scenario. Now, here is the second scenario. Now, so both of the things, yeah, I didn't mention this in the first step, but you have to put this on the back of the side. So, it's both of them are and one has. So what you do, You just you face the side with none, and you turn right or left. I'm going to do left since it's more easier for me. And now you have to solve the fourth step again. So, now for the third occasion. So, all of the things are not correct. So, if this happens, you can do the left scenario algorithm from step 1 or the right. If you do right like me, left like me, there's a chance you might run into solution 2. Now you have to do solution 2 and then solution 1. Well, that was all of it for today's video. Hope you watch more of my videos and subscribe. Stay tuned.